What will satisfy you, King Midas? King Midas sighed. I wish that everything I touch would turn to gold. Then I could be truly happy. Very well, then, the stranger said. I will grant your wish. You shall have the golden touch. Use it wisely, King Midas, Midas, Midas.
My vocabulary got the Midas touch. There is something you can't understand. The illest niggas under my thumb is like putty. Oh, yeah. Wow, the child Midas touch with it, how it turned to gold. Well, I don't really even have to sweat money at all. Good as gold, like I got the motherfucking Midas.
You can call me Midas. See his reflection in my iris. Golden bias. You couldn't figure it was science. How I spit the brightest. Golden bars lead to blindness. Respect your highness. Before you get tossed to the lions. It's heavy armor. Hennessy and marijuana fuel. The golden rule. A1 drop a lot of jewels. AU on the periodic table. Ready made. No associated labels. That realness. 18K. That old Egyptian. Weapon quality is my scientific description. The technician. My skin glisten with the flakes. No costume jewels. These fuck niggas are fake. I piss ace, shit nuggets and bust rope nuts. My seeds are the golden fruit and all hope. What? Niggas can't cope with the dope I release. Turn the beast to the riches for the streets. Now I feast, nigga.
My vocabulary got the Midas touch. There is something you can't understand. The illest niggas under my thumb is like putty. Oh, yeah. Wow, the child Midas touch with it, how it turned to gold. Well, I don't really even have to sweat money at all. Good as gold, like I got the motherfucking
As a descendant of slaves, I can't see how a chain put a nigga in graves. Fuck your shackles, I'm out for that Trinidad chains with a lasso. Coming with that lyrical pain, ready to tackle this motherfucking hip-hop game. Because these lames stay soft as gelato. I'm cold as gazpacho, I cook like Gustavo. Jay's Turbo Bravo, the color on the homicide scene coincide with this cream getting capo. Your counterfeit, metal alloy and brass. Niggas laugh if you ever try to pawn that for cash. My shiner outlast your lifetime. I'm bringing back tight rounds about night crimes and niggas who slice dimes. 24K in my veins, that's my lifeline. A1 go to bars equal that Price is Right sign. Make them rewind. Whack niggas on the decline. In the meantime, your chick wanna get me behind.
My vocabulary got the Midas touch. There is something you can't understand. The illest niggas under my thumb is like putty. Oh, yeah. Wow, the child Midas touch with it, how it turned to gold. Well, I don't really even have to sweat money at all. Good as gold, like I got the motherfucking Midas touch.
Call it what you like. Call it what you like. Call it what you like. Love need up in your life. I know what it's like from here. Call it what you like. Call it what you like. Call it what you like. Love need up in your life. I know what it's like from here. Yo, she danced down the halls of mischief. Met my hand with hers unattended. Tended to the tender touching in the mattress. Mastered all the bait that bit back when she been backwards. I built a bone, a bigger bone. My backside tough like your nigga home. With an ascot rub size and beer pong by himself fiddling basement with the bass on. Like, yo, she had my self-esteem established. As a dad for Meisner might have acted. Pass her mom with wine, spiritual magic. Dog spazzing, underbitten as the bitches pass him. Yo, she bit my ear, but shit, I liked it. I had a known tendencies, typically the typist. A man-made misery, dark times are timeless. I could've followed history, but then I flipped the light switch. You an undercover cupid, stupid, handheld Lucy. I hate my pollution. Welcome back to the black man roofie, but never gonna forget how to love is straight through me. You an undercover cupid, wild in the mere Mitchell Towns, hold it down for the comments. Welcome back to the all the black minds, it's the past things that pass brain to bring honor. You an undercover cupid, stupid, handheld Lucy. I hate my pollution. Welcome back never gon' forget how to love is straight through me. You an undercover Cupid, wild in the mirror Mitchell Towns, hold it down for the comments. Welcome back to the all the black minds. It's the past things that pass brain to bring honor. Q Daddy Cupid, what they call me, but don't let that fool you. I'm foolish enough for heartbeat to bump a car. Call me, consider the nigga horny. Turn him to a Darius, married with kids at 40. Cause he used to be a stone cold player, and I learned from Ice Cold, keep your heart on Himalaya. But I learned from 3 O's, the heart is never a player. So play your ass around and end up back down with a baby. I can be a dick cause I love love. Sorry that I fuss so much and bitch Q Daddy does. I deliver a nigga a bitch the sound of love. I deliver a woman some dick in a ring and tug, so we can put a nigga with a nigga or a woman hitting figures with another. Cause we know double queen is quite chillin', but Q Daddy Cupid is coming to kill the lonely off. Put bone to jaw, the jam ring won't fall off when I shoot you. Let me shoot a nigga. I wanna shoot you. You an undercover Cupid, stupid, handheld Lucy. I hate my pollution. Welcome back to the black man roofie, but never gon' forget how to love is straight through me. You an undercover Cupid, wild in the mirror Mitchell Towns, hold it down for the comments. Welcome back to the all the black minds. It's the past things that pass brain to bring honor.
Escúchela, la ciudad respirando. Escúchela, la ciudad respirando. Escúchela, la ciudad respirando. Escúchela.
The new moon rode high in the crown of the metropolis, shining like who on top of this? People was tussling, arguing and bustling. Gangsters of Gotham, hardcore hustling. I'm wrestling with words and ideas. My ears is pricked, seeking what will transmit. The scribes can apply the transcript. Yo, this ain't no time where the usual is suitable. Tonight alive, let's describe the inscrutable, the indisputable. We New York, the narcotics, draped in metal and fiber optics, where mercenaries is paid to trade hot stock tips for profits. Thirsty criminals dig pockets, hard knuckles on the second hands of working class watches. Skyscrapers is colossus, the cost of living is preposterous. Stay alive, you pay or die, no options. No Batman and Robin, can't tell between the cops and the robbers. They both partners, they all heartless, with no conscience. Back streets stay darkened, while unbelieving hearts stay hardened. My ego talent stay sharpened, like city lights stay throbbing. You either make a way or stay sobbing. The shiny apple is bruised but sweet, and if you choose to eat, you could lose your teeth. Many crews retreat, nightly news repeat. Who got shot down to lockdown? Spotlight the savages, NASDAQ averages. My narrative grows to explain its existence amidst the harbor lights which remain in the distance. So much on my mind that I can't recline. Blasting holes in the night till she blends sunshine. Breathe in, inhale vapors from bright stars that shine. Breathe out, we smoke, retrace the skyline. Heard the bass ride out like an ancient mating call. I can't take it, y'all. I can feel the city breathing, chest heaving against the flesh of the evening. Sigh before it died like the last train leaving.
Breathing in deep city breaths, sitting on shitty steps, we stoop to new lows. Hell froze the night the city slept. The beast crept through concrete jungles, communicating with one another, and ghetto birds where waters fall from the hydrants to the gutters. The beast walk the beats, but the beats we be making. You on the wrong side of the track, looking visibly shaken, taking in plungers, plunging to death that's painted by the numbers with crowd on applied pressure. Cats is playing God for having children by a lesser baby mother, but fuck it, we played against each other like puppets, swearing you got pulled when the only pull you got is the wool over your eyes. Getting knowledge in jail like a blessing in disguise. Look in the skies for God, what you see besides the smog is broken dreams flying away in the wings of the obscene. Thoughts that people put in the air, places where you could get murdered over a glare. But everything is fair, it's a paradox we call reality. So keeping it real will make you a casualty of abnormal normality. Killers born naturally like Mickey and Mallory, not knowing the ways will get you capped like an NBA salary. So cats BMCing to illustrate what we be seeing. Hard to be a spiritual being when shit is shaking what you believe in. When trees to grow in Brooklyn, seeds need to be planted. I'm asking if y'all feel me and the crowd left me stranded. My blood pressure boiled and rose. These New York niggas act to spoil their shows. To the winners, the spoils go. I take the L, transfer to the 2, head to the gates. New York life type trife, the Roman Empire State.
So much on my mind, I just can't recline. Blast the holes in the night till she bless sunshine. Breathe in, inhale vapors from bright stars and shine. Breathe out, green smoke retrace the skyline. Yo, don't the bass ride out like an ancient mating call? I can't take it, y'all. I can feel the city breathing, chest heaving against the flesh of the evening. Sigh before it died like the last train leaving.
Respirando como yo, ojos sinceros, escondiendo pena y temor. Un silencio de mentiras tocando el hogar, escapando sentimientos entre
Yo,
ellos.
on the A-man corner I stood looking at my former hood. Felt this spirit in the wind, knew my friend was gone for good. Through dirt on the casket, the hurt I couldn't mask it. Mixing down emotion, struggle I hadn't mastered. I choreographed 7 steps to heaven. Inhale, waiting to exhale and make the bread leaven. Veteran of the Cold War, it's a guy I go for what I know or what's known. So some days I take the bus home just to touch home. From the crib I spend months gone. Sat by the window with a clutched stone, listening to shorties cuss long. Young girls with weak minds, but they butt strong. Tried to call or at least speak the Lord, but didn't have a touchstone. It's a dog and dog world, you got a must own. Some of this land I must own. Out of the city, they want us gone. Tearing down the jacks, creating plush homes. My circumstances between Cabrini and Love Jones. Surrounded by hate, yet I love home. Asked my guy how he thought traveling the world sound. Found it hard to imagine he hadn't been past downtown. It's deep, I heard the city breathing in sleep. A reality I touched, but for me it's hard to keep. It's deep, I heard my man breathing in sleep. A reality I touch, but for me it's hard to keep.
So much on my mind, I just can't recline. Blasting holes in the night till she bless sunshine. Breathe in, inhale vapors from bright stars to shine. Breathe out, weed smoke retrace the skyline. Yo, how the bass ride out like an ancient mating call? I can't take it, y'all. I can feel the city breathing, chest heaving against the flesh of the evening. Kiss the eyes goodbye, I'm on the last train leaving.
Your style, your smile, your peace mentality. Lord, have mercy on me. I was blind, now I can see what a king's supposed to be. Baby, I feel free. Come on and go with me. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about Surah 31:18. Your background, it ain't squeaky clean shit. Sometimes we all got to swim upstream. You ain't no saint, we all a sinner. But you put your good foot down and make your soul the winner. I respect that. Man, you're so fat, and you're all that, plus supreme. Then you're humble, man, I'm numb, you're feeling. I can feel everything that you bring. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. education, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about Revelations 3:17. Or maybe we could see a movie, or maybe we could see a play on Saturday. Or maybe we could roll a tree and feel the breeze and listen to a symphony. Or maybe chill and just be. Or maybe we could take a cruise and listen to the roots. Or maybe eat some passion fruit. Or maybe cry to the blues. Or maybe we could just be silent.
More than a couple scuffles, far too many tears. Still I maintain a hustle. Through all the pain and struggles, I smile at the rain and puddles. Beyond the cloud, the sun will shine and take away my troubles. Another day of waste to make the most of. I spend it with my daughter, we ride the roller coaster. It's either family or I'm out performing them studio sessions to the early morning. I really put my heart in. I had a brighter vision, was like a higher mission. I walked through fire and acquired wisdom. I understand the business. I stood and witnessed backstabbing, oriental whispers. The facts always end up twisted, it's a cold world. Trust me, I came close. Signed a slave deal, so now we're all in the same boat. Just trying to stay real. And for this music I would die for. Maybe I'm high or I'm in too deep. Mackay 5-4, sometimes more the things you read will be reflected in the things you speak. The company you keep. My boy ain't gonna see the road until he's 60. I've lost so many family members, still I know that we'll be as we walk along this road of victory. Swiftly, deny my history, still I know you miss me. I'm risking, I never imitate, I innovate. Add a little flavor to your dinner plate. You should've called your tape, I'm really into Drake. But we know when that light shines, we ain't got that right mind. I'ma buy a nice watch so I can have a nice time and show them how we ball. And slowly I recall when putting posters on my wall was never focused on the fall, just the ride. Just be wise and analyze the vibe. Large ego with a heart twice the size, I survive. I make babies when I sing, you must be crazy if you claim it. Tyler Daly ain't a king.
Listen, yo. My halo levitates at 10-degree angles. That's enough for you to recognize you're never ever fucking with. I sit silent, eyes closed, hand over candles. All that happy, let's be friends shit. Yo, this is the opposite. Pipe dreams, schemes, testing my morals. Broke like ice cream machines in McDonald's. Apollo less on his laurels, so don't sleep. Son of Zeus, constant disrespect. Offers of free drinks and good promo. A good chance of a good no-show. Sliding box message to Tyler saying lose Connie and go solo. 9-6 memo, please listen to my demo. It's that painful so like your dad stepping on your Legos. That might be the best line I ever spit. Everything forever after might be very, very shit. It's still broken English, could be round the world with DRS and strats on the beach in open-toe sandals. Instead I'm still in work, she's stuck in traffic going nowhere. I don't care, I only know slow rapping over soul samples. I'm so thankful, yo I'm so grateful. Bayesian rum flavor, come here's a whole Facebook. And when it's all over, I can't lie, I might cry. All I ask is you pass the crown to the right guy. The sun sets, the Godzilla silhouette. Say Kanye did some legendary shit, I ain't finished yet. Tell him.
What is hip-hop? Down to the cornrows, socks and the flip-flops. Any 4 bars open liable to get mobbed. Culture from the cardboard that's gone as far as TikTok. That shit right. I mean it's hip-hop. Stank fakes family when the shit knock. Black tanks under the canopy scanning the blocks. A neck breaker, turning racket to rap. I'm with the chef's maker, whipping the slab. Relax. It's the breath taker. It's the lifeline like it's the fresh taper. None other than welcome in by way of the known. We barely immigrant and found a place, made it our home. They call it ignorant, it's the lottie-dottie. It's the higher sense like this, that God body. None other than a neck breaker, turning racket to rap. I'm with the chef's maker, whipping the slab. Relax. It's the only way, it's the only way, it's the only way. None other than welcome in by way of the known. We barely immigrant and found a place, made it our home. They call it ignorant, it's the only way, it's the only way, it's the only way. None other than hip-hop. See, I get it, and shall not forget it. This is how I live it, none other than hip-hop. Welcome to Invisible Man. Me, I'm feeling that and keeping it as real as I can through all this internet BS. Buenos dias, a trip to BX to chill with niggas real as Jesus. Those who not sombrero, cap driller who claim killer, scared of bow and arrows. It's in the old Camaros, it's in the baggy denim on women. I wonder where those. It's in the Queen of Meanest Bonitas who barely wear clothes. It's in the niggas with no belt, the chain laying on the shelf, the strain roll for my health, the hand of cards was dope. I keep swimming on my Dory, on my Michael Phelps. To simply write what I felt. You know the story of a neck breaker, turning racket to rap. I'm with the chef's maker, whipping a slab. Relax. It's the breath taker, it's the lifeline like it's the fresh taper. None other than welcome in by way of the known. We barely immigrant and found a face, dipped it in chrome. They call it ignorant. It's the lottie-dottie. It's the higher sense like this, that God body. None other than a neck breaker, turning racket to rap. I'm with the chef's maker, whipping a slab. Relax. It's the only way, it's the only way, it's the only way. None other than welcome in by way of the known. We barely immigrant and found a place, made it our home. They call it ignorant. It's the only way, it's the only way, it's the only way. None other than hip-hop. Stuck between a rock and a face. This is all that I know. It's hypnotic. I'm a product of taste. Like who got the best raps? That's the product I chase. But proud is the face. It's shady when a squad of them hate. Over the way I play the Sonics, make a lot of them shake. A shimmer the dimmer they wanna put upon us for grace. Couldn't hold their own space, so they gotta deface. I get it. It isn't hip hop, but maybe you could learn some. Deeper in tracks and rapping while you burn one. neck breaking, turning racket to rap. Sit with the chef's maker, whipping a slap. Relax, it's the breath taker, it's the lifeline, like it's the fresh taper. None other than welcome in by way of the known. We barely immigrant and find a place.
It's the only way.
Write this, queen. I ain't seen you in a minute. Wrote this letter and finally decided to send it. Signed, sealed, delivered for us to grow together. Love has no limit. Let's spin it slow forever. I know your heart is weathered by what studs did to you. I ain't gon' sort them cause I probably did it too. Because of you feelings I handle with care. Some niggas recognize your light but they can't handle the glare. You know I ain't the type to walk around with matching shirts. A relationship is effort, I will match your work. I wanna be the one to make you happiest and hurt you the most. They say the end is near, it's important that we close to the most high. Regardless of what happened, on him let's rely.
There are times when you need someone.
Yeah.
I will be by your side.
So.
There is a light that shines special for you and me.
Yeah. Second. It's important we communicate and tune the fate of this union to the right pitch. I never call you my bitch or even my boo. There's so much in the name and so much more in you. Few understand the union of woman and man. And sex and a tingle is where they assuming it land. But that's fly by night for you in the sky, right? During these cold, shy nights, moon, you my light. If heaven had a height, you would be that tall. Ghetto to coffee shop, you, I see that all. Let's stick to understanding and we won't fall. For better or worse times, I hope to me you call. So I pray every day more than anything, friends will stay as we begin to lay this foundation for a family. Love ain't simple, why can't it be anything worth having you work at annually? Granted, we known each other for some time, it don't take a whole day to recognize sunshine. Second, it's kinda fresh, you listen to more than hip-hop. And I can catch you in the mix from beauty to thrift shop. Plus you shit pop when it's time to. Thinking you fresh, suggesting beats I should rhyme to. At times when I'm lost, I try to find you. You know to give me space when it's time to. My heart's dictionary defines you. It's love and happiness. Truthfully, it's hard trying to practice happiness. The time we committed love, it was real good. Had to be for me to arrive, and it still feel good. I know the sex ain't gon' keep you, but as my equal, it's how I must treat you. As my reflection, the light, I'ma lead you. And whatever's right, I'ma feed you. Yo, I tell you the rest when I see you. Peace.
we must begin to view our musical compositions as vessels through which concerts become conscious conversation, and our records, repositories of positive images. To do this, we must always understand that our work must be 1, collective, 2, functional, 3, committee. What you're about to hear is not jazz or some other irrelevant term we allow others to use in defining our creation. But the sounds which are about to saturate your being and sensitize your soul is the continuing process of consciousness manifesting its message within the context of one of our strongest natural resources, music. We must begin to understand it is our responsibility and duty to be in constant search of stronger and better means of amplifying, radiating, and raising the level of consciousness of our people. And to the brothers who appear on this offering, I give my warmest affection. The bullshit one. Yeah. What's your name? Damn, baby. That sounds sexy.
Here I go again, girls. What's my weakness? Okay, then chillin', minding my business. You saw I looked around and I couldn't believe this. I swear, I stand, my niece, my witness. The brother had it going on with something kinda wicked. Had to kick it. I'm not shy, so I asked for the digits. I hope no, that don't make me see what I want. Slip, slide to it swiftly. Felt it in my hips, so I dip back to my bag of tricks. Then I flip for a tip, made me wanna do tricks on them, lick them like a lollipop should be lit. Came to my senses and I chill for a bit. Don't know how you do the voodoo that you do so well. It's a spell, hell makes me wanna shoot. You packed in your stack, especially in the back, brother. I wanna thank your mother for a butt like that. Can I get some fries with that shake, booby? If looks could kill, you would be an Uzi or a shotgun. Bang! What's up with that thing? I wanna know, how does it hang? Straight up, wait up, hold up, Mr. Lover. Like Prince said, you're a sexy mother. Well, I like them real wild. B-boy style by the mile. Smooth black skin with a smile. Bright as the sun, I wanna have some fun. Come and give me some of that yum chocolate chip honey dip. Can I get a scoop? Baby, take a ride in my coupe. You make me wanna. Bring it back to the subject. That's all it said. Make you get hot, make you work up a sweat. When you sit to my loo, my darling. Not falling in love, but I'm falling for you. When I get chucked, bet your bottom dollar you were best under pressure.
Yo, Sandy, I wanna taste you.
Get your lips wet, cause it's time to have pep. On your mark, get set,
go, let me go, let me shoot to the next man in a three-piece suit. I spend all my dough, Ray me cutie, shoot shooba-dooby, like Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I love you in your big jeans, you give me nice dreams, you make me wanna scream, ooh, ooh, ooh. I like what you do, when you do, what you do, you make me wanna shoot. Oh my goodness, girl, look at him. He is the cutest brother in here, and he's coming this way. Ooh.
S and the B wanna get with me, cool, but I'm wicked G. Hit skins, but never quickly.
Right.
I hit the skins for the hell of it, just for the yell I get, for the smell of it. You want my ball, here's the hot rod. 12 inches to a yard and have you sounding like a retard. Big twin lover 6'2", wanna hit you.
So what you wanna do?
What you wanna do?
I wanna shoot.
woke up out that coma 2001. About the same time Dre dropped 2001. 3 years later the album is done. Aftermath presents Nigga with an Attitude Volume 1. Rap critics politicking, wanna know the outcome. Ready to die, reasonable doubt and doggy style in one. I feel like Pac after the Snoop Dogg trial was done. Dre behind that G-Series and all eyes on me. I watched the death of a dynasty, so I told Vibe magazine. Working with Dr. Dre was I had visions of making a classic. Then my world turned black, like I was staring out of Stevie Wonder's glasses. It's kinda hard to imagine, like Kanye West coming back from his fatal accident to beat making and rapping. But we the future. Whitney Houston told me that, and it's gonna take more than a bullet in the heart to hold me back. Rushing in this 40 ounce, letting the ink from my pen bleed. Cause Martin Luther King had her, Aaliyah had her, Left Eye had her. So I reached out to Kanye and brought you all my dreams. Cause I love you. I had dreams of fucking a R&B bitch like Maya. When I saw that ass on the front of that King, read the article in the magazine. She love gangsters, love nasty things. So I'm in the glass house having nasty dreams. Good girls never give it up, but anything is possible. If 50 fucked Vivica, hurdle life's obstacles, found my way through the maze. Then joy turned to pain like Frankie Beverly and Maze. Used to dream of being unsigned hype, till I was crushed by Dave Mays. Almost let my pen fall asleep on the page. Daydreaming yesterday, dozing off backstage. I thought I saw Easy talking to Jam Master Jay. So I walked over, heard Jam Master say, it's a hard knock life, then you pass away. They say sleep is the cousin of death. So my eyes wide open, cause a dream is kin to your last breath. Rushing in this 40 ounce, letting the ink from my pen bleed. Cause Martin Luther King had her, Aaliyah had her, Left Eye had her. So I reached out to Kanye and brought you all my dreams. Cause I love you. The dream of Huey Newton, that's what I'm living through. The dream of Eric Wright, that's what I'm giving you. Who walked through the White House without a business suit? Compton had Jerry curl dripping on Ronald Reagan shoes. Gave Michael in my demo, came here to pay my dues. Started off with Who Kid, then I start blazing Clue. It was all a dream like Big said it be. Don't sleep on me, homie, I bring nightmares to reality. Rap phenomenon, defying the rules of gravity. Studied all the classics, start revising my strategy. Cause Marshall Mathers made it, Curtis Jackson made it. Head in the clouds, wondering where the hell Marvin Gaye went. How do I say this? I'm living for my son, but I can't figure out why I'm at my temple with this gun. Wake up to a Jesus piece like a Catholic nun. The war to be a rap legend has just begun. Rushing in this 40 ounce, letting the ink from my pen bleed. Cause Martin Luther King had her, Aaliyah had her, Left Eye had her. So I reached out to Kanye and brought you all my dreams. Cause I love you. This song is dedicated to Yetunde Price, the sister of Venus and Serena Williams, who was slain during a gang shootout in Compton Sunday, September 14th, 2003. Rest in peace.
If you could see, I never planned to be a man, it just wasn't me. But now I'm searching for commitment and other arms. I wanna shelter breathe. Cause soon as I leave, it's like a trap. I hear you calling me to come back. I'm a sucker for love. And I'm feeling happy. You try to trap me, say you're pregnant, and guess who's the daddy? Don't wanna fall for it, but in this case, what could I do? So now I'm back to making promises to you, trying to keep it true. What if I'm wrong? A trick to keep me holding on, trying to be strong in the process, keep it going. About to lose my composure, I'm getting close to packing up and leaving notes and getting ghosts. Tell me who knows a peaceful place where I can go to clear my head. I'm feeling low, losing control. My heart is saying leave, or what a tangle where we weave when we conspire to conceive. And now you're getting calls at the house, guess you're cheating. That's all I need to hear, cause I'm leaving. I'm out the door, never no more when you see me. This is the end, cause now I know you've been cheating. I'm a sucker for love.
Do for love. You tried everything, but you don't give up, baby. Oh yeah. You tried everything, but you don't give up.
Now we left you with scars, tears on your pillow when you still stay. As you sit and pray, hoping the beatings will go away. It wasn't always a hit and run relationship. It used to be love, happiness, and companionship. Remember when I treated you good? I moved you up to the hills, out the ills of the ghetto hood. Me and you, a happy home when it was on. I had a love to call my own. I should have seen you was trouble, but I was lost. Trapped in your eyes, preoccupied with getting tossed. No need to lie, you had a man and I knew it. You told me, don't worry about it, we can do it. Now I'm under pressure, make a decision cause I'm waiting. When I'm alone, I'm on the phone, having secret conversations. I wanna take your misery, replace it with happiness, but I need your faith in me. I'm a sucker for love.
dream of fairy tales, I think of me and Shelley. See, she's
my type of hype, and I can't stand when brothers tell me that I should quit chasing and look for something better. But the smile that she shows makes me a go-getter. I haven't gone as far as asking if I could get with her. I just play love by ear and hope she gets the picture. I'm shooting for her heart, got my finger on the trigger. She can be my broad, and I can be her. All I can do is stay up. Back as kids we used to kiss when we played truth or dare. Now she's more sophisticated, highly educated, not at all overrated. I think I need a prayer to get in a book, and it looks rather dry. I guess a twinkle in her eye is just a twinkle in her eye. Although she's crazy stepping, I'll try and stop the stride, cause I won't have no more of this passing me by.
Time for me to voice my opinion, can't be pretending she didn't have me. Sprung like a chicken, chasing my tail like a doggy. She was kind of like a star, thinking I was like a fan. Damn, she looked good. Downside, she had a man, he was a Rudy Toot, a Nick and Poop. She told me soon your little birdie's gonna fly the coop. She was a flake like corn, and I was born not to understand. But letting the past, I proved to be a better man.